Change my skin routine with these drinks. Skin health is intrinsically tied to what we consume. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in maintaining healthy skin, as the right nutrients support skin structure, function, and appearance. A well-balanced diet can enhance your skin's natural beauty. Diet and skin are closely linked, with certain foods either benefiting or harming skin health. Nutrient-rich foods can improve skin texture, combat blemishes, and reduce signs of aging. Conversely, poor dietary choices can lead to skin issues. Hydration is crucial for clear skin. Proper hydration helps maintain the skin's elasticity, reduces dryness, and aids in the detoxification process, thereby promoting a clear complexion. Drinking enough water is essential for overall skin health. Adequate water intake is vital for acne prevention and achieving a natural glow. Water flushes out toxins, supports cellular function, and helps maintain the skin's moisture balance, leading to clearer, more radiant skin. Herbal teas offer natural remedies for skin health. Different teas provide various benefits, from reducing inflammation to soothing irritated skin. Incorporating herbal teas into your diet can enhance skin health and provide additional health benefits. Green tea is renowned for its high levels of antioxidants, which help reduce acne by combating free radicals and inflammation. Regular consumption of green tea can improve skin clarity and promote a healthier, more radiant complexion. Chamomile tea is celebrated for its soothing properties that benefit the skin. It helps reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation, making it an excellent natural remedy for calming sensitive or acne-prone skin. Rooibos tea offers impressive anti-inflammatory benefits, which can help alleviate skin conditions like eczema and acne. Its rich antioxidant content also protects the skin from environmental damage, promoting a smoother and more youthful appearance. Peppermint tea aids in hormonal balance, which is crucial for controlling acne. By regulating hormones, peppermint tea can help reduce breakouts and maintain clearer skin, providing a natural solution for those struggling with hormonal acne. Lemon water has detoxifying and brightening effects on the skin. Rich in vitamin C, it helps flush out toxins and promotes collagen production, resulting in a clearer, more radiant complexion with consistent use. Aloe vera juice is renowned for its healing and hydrating properties. Consuming this juice can help soothe inflammation, improve skin elasticity, and provide deep hydration. Its rich nutrient profile supports skin health, making it a popular choice. Cucumber water offers cooling and hydrating benefits that are perfect for maintaining clear skin. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it helps reduce puffiness and promotes a radiant complexion, making it an excellent, refreshing addition to your skincare routine. Turmeric milk boasts anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it effective in combating acne and redness. This golden drink is also rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and promote a healthy, glowing complexion from within. Coconut water is a fantastic source of hydration and maintains electrolyte balance. Its natural minerals and vitamins nourish the skin, helping to keep it supple and radiant, while also preventing dehydration-induced breakouts. Berry smoothies are packed with antioxidants that help fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. Combining various berries in a smoothie can provide essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, promoting a naturally glowing and youthful complexion. Carrot juice is a powerhouse for skin health, rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. This essential nutrient helps repair skin tissues and maintain a youthful, radiant complexion. Spinach and kale smoothies are nutrient-dense, packed with vitamins A, C, and K. These leafy greens promote skin cell turnover, hydrate, and reduce inflammation, making your skin glow from within. Pomegranate juice is loaded with antioxidants, which fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. Its high vitamin C content boosts collagen production, leading to firmer, more youthful skin over time. Beetroot juice acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins from the body. This vibrant juice improves blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to the skin, which results in a healthy, rejuvenated appearance. Apple cider vinegar drink helps balance the skin's pH levels, reducing acne breakouts. Its antibacterial properties also help cleanse the skin, leaving it clearer and more balanced, with a natural, healthy glow. Ginger tea is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce skin redness and irritation. Additionally, its digestive aid benefits promote gut health, indirectly improving skin clarity by reducing acne-causing toxins. Matcha latte offers concentrated antioxidant benefits thanks to its high catechin content. These antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on the skin. Drinking matcha regularly can lead to a clearer, more youthful complexion. Dandelion root tea is a natural liver detoxifier, helping to cleanse the body of toxins that can cause skin issues. By supporting liver function, this tea aids in achieving clearer skin and minimizing breakouts. Freshly squeezed juices retain more vitamins, minerals, and enzymes compared to store-bought options, which often contain added sugars and preservatives. Choosing fresh juices maximizes nutrient intake, promoting healthier skin from the inside out. DIY infused waters allow for customization to target specific skin concerns. Adding ingredients like cucumber, mint, or berries not only boosts hydration, but also provides additional skin benefits, making it a refreshing and effective skincare solution. Bone broth is a powerhouse of hydration and nutrition, offering collagen and essential nutrients that support skin elasticity and overall health. Rich in amino acids and minerals, it helps to maintain a youthful, glowing complexion. Sugary drinks can exacerbate acne and dull skin due to their high glycemic index, which spikes insulin levels and promotes inflammation. Cutting down on these beverages can significantly improve skin clarity and reduce breakouts. Combining nutrient-rich drinks with a balanced diet amplifies their benefits. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains ensures that your skin receives comprehensive nourishment, fostering a clear and radiant complexion. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can be seamless. Begin your day with a refreshing herbal tea, enjoy a nutrient-packed smoothie as a midday snack, and wind down with a calming chamomile tea. To achieve optimal skin health through beverages, consistency is key. Regularly consuming hydrating and nutrient-rich drinks while avoiding sugary options creates a solid foundation for clear, glowing skin. Make these drinks a staple in your skincare routine.